Meaning of hexadecimal.
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 Hexadecimal. Hexadecimal is a number system that uses 16 symbols to represent values. The first 10 symbols are 0 to 9 followed by A, B, C, D, E and F. Each symbol represents a value from 0 to 15, allowing for easy representation of binary values. For example, the binary value 10101110 can be represented as AE in hexadecimal notation. Hexadecimal is commonly used in computer programming, as it provides a convenient way to represent binary values using fewer symbols, making them easier to read and manipulate.